Hey everyone, if Penpot sharing is not working, collaboration links aren't opening, or other people can't access your projects, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get sharing working properly again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can interrupt syncing and prevent sharing from working correctly. Next, refresh the page and try generating the share link again. Yeah, temporary glitches can sometimes affect collaboration features. Make sure the correct sharing permissions are selected. I mean, if the project is restricted, other users may not be able to open it. If the existing link isn't working, generate a new one. So, creating a fresh link often solves access problems. Sometimes the issue is on the other person's side. Asking collaborators to refresh their browser or reopen the link may help. Corrupted browser data can interfere with collaboration features. Yeah, clearing cache and cookies may fix the problem. Some extensions, especially privacy tools, can block sharing functions. I mean, temporarily disabling them is worth trying. If sharing still isn't working, open Penpot in another browser. So, this helps determine whether the issue is browser-related. Sometimes collaboration problems are caused by server issues. If Penpot is undergoing maintenance, you may need to wait until services are restored. If nothing works, contact Penpot support for further assistance. They can investigate sharing-related issues and help restore collaboration features, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot sharing issues and get your collaboration tools working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.